Breaking news. Inec begins David Umahi's removal process. Why a high court in Abakaliki has given him 7 more days, why the appeal and the matter continues. Now, in case you are not aware, the governor of Ebonyi State, okay, David Umahi, wake up one morning and said, you know what, APC is going to give them the opportunity to produce Nigeria's next president, speaking about the Southeast, that the Southeast has been with PDP. PDP did not consider or pay attention that they are going to give them presidency. So he's ready to ensure that he shows them that he's leaving the party. So he left the party. However, it did not go down well, as the People Democratic Party has now gone to court, and court says when people vote, the day people vote is not for David Umahi, is for on the ballot boxes is People Democratic Party, is APP, is ZNLP, is APRT, is this, is that, meaning all the votes belongs to PDP. Now you cannot take from A, you cannot steal from A and give it to B. It's not right. Okay, that's stealing. If you want to leave A and you've got, so you what you need to do, you drop that thing, you release everything that A has given to you, then you go and start on a fresh note with B. Okay, you go and start on a fresh note with B. You don't wake up one morning and you begin to use B, okay, and at the expense of B for A. So this is what is happening right now. Let's get all the details. Breaking news. INEC begins process of Umahia's removal. The Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, has said it has not yet received the certificate of the copy of the Federal High Court in Abuja that has ordered the sack of Ebonyi State Governor David Umahi and his deputy Kelechi Igwe. But as soon as he gets this certificate of their sack, we begin the process in earnest adequately. Politics Nigeria reports that INEC Commissioner Festus Okoye said this in an interview with Channels Television yesterday, that's Thursday. Recall that the Federal High Court, presides over by Justice Ekwo, on Tuesday ordered Governor David Umahi to vacate the governor's house and office after his deflection from the People Democratic Party (PDP) to the ruling All Progressive Congress (APC) in 2020. 15 Ebonyi State lawmakers who also moved with him from People Democratic Party to APC were also affected by the judgment. Meanwhile, David Umahi has insisted that he remains the governor of Ebonyi State and will not vacate the office for anyone or for any reasons. The 15 lawmakers who moved with him from APC to PDP did not adequately pay attention to what the law says. Why the Constitution was silent on what the governor has done. It has not been silent on what the lawmakers has done. The lawmakers will therefore have nowhere else to turn to than to dance to the tune of the music they have turned on. David Umahi has since gone to get a court injunction of 7 days, giving him an opportunity to stay in the office for more 7 days. But the 15 lawmakers who joined him will have to vacate their office, and the People Democratic Party lawmakers will have to occupy those offices. It is understood that the People Democratic Party has sent names of the individuals they want to replace Governor David Umahi as INEC, but INEC has confirmed the receipt of those names from the People Democratic Party, but waiting for the legal paper to come from the court. So INEC is ready, according to what we hear, to commence movement immediately. INEC is ready to take the bull by the horn to take the next step. Yes, that's INEC for you. They are ready to move, but cannot move until they have received that very said document. Now, the very said document is what they must wait for. Okay, because INEC has to receive the court injunction. Now, David Umahi, in case you're not aware, have gone to Ebonyi State. He has gone to see Ebonyi High Court and have collected an injunction. Within the ambience of the law, the same law that says you cannot have this, there is also a loophole in the law that gives you an opportunity to also have the same thing that you understand. So these are some of the things that are going on, and it is clear that it's not going to be business as usual, and so they will have to, okay, also see to it that they dance to the tune of the music that they have turned on. So this is what is happening, my wonderful people. These are some of the things going on. Inec is ready, according to them. The People Democratic Party (PDP) has sent names of their preferred people they want to occupy the very said offices. Okay, since the whole vote was for the People Democratic Party, but INEC has to patiently wait for the documentation to come. Okay, INEC have to patiently wait for that documentation to come, and as soon as that documentation reaches their hand from the court, then they can begin the process of his removal. Whilst David Umahi fight for his defense. However, David have started taking a turn. Now, this turn he has taken is that David has gone ahead and has taken a court injunction. Yes, what does this court injunction entails? Giving him an opportunity to stay for 7 days. Now, again, that same court injunction is renewable. So you may be asking, so you mean he just have 7 days more? It may not be 7 days more. Again, the man has gotten 18 sons, and this is where it's very sad, because the money of Ebonyi State is what is going on now to serve in this court battle, this legal battle that will be on. It's taking 18 sons who will be looking at the law, section, subsection, and be quoting law. Yeah, why they are doing that, money is going. Why they are doing that, money is going. And guess what this money is for? The money for the state. Yes, Ebonyi State money is what is going, because that man is not going to use his own personal cash. No way. He's not going to use his own personal cash. In fact, if he knows it's going to be removed, he's going to ensure that he empties the treasury. So the person who is coming will lick sand, because that's human being for you. That's human being for you. It will ensure that there is nothing. Sure, you want to become governor. You are going to become governor now. You will use your speed to bat. You know how human being. So he has already gotten. What it means to take one son. Some time ago, I can remember very clearly, the governor of Rivers State said he employed the service after the election in Rivers State, and there was issue. He employed the service of a son, and the son was asking him to pay how many million? Not 1 million, oh, not 2 million. Oh. And your governor, Ebonyi State, has 18 of those. Okay, leave us a comment. God bless you. Bye for now. And it will not fix the road, though. In Afikpo.